crispy, cheesy cauliflower tots. So in front of me, I have one medium cauliflower that I took the florets off. I just used the machine and it's going to do it for me. So that's the texture and consistency that we're looking for. So I'm going to take a towel here and then spill out all the cauliflower, literally as tight as you can, and look how much water comes out of that. The cauliflower tots, once they go in the oven, are going to get seriously golden brown and delicious. Monterey Jack, cheddar, and provolone. And then go ahead and crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Smoked paprika, freshly chopped Italian parsley, a teaspoon of olive oil, pinch in half a teaspoon of salt. Let's grab some mixture here. And here's the key, you guys. You want to pack it in pretty tight. They took 21 minutes and they are looking golden brown. Pop them out. Guys, is that golden brown and delish? This is my favorite part. While it's still hot, it's nice and soft. The cheese is melted. You guys are going to love this one too.